Back to another video. It's Demi
and Parker,
and today, or I should say tonight because it is nighttime, we are going to do the tasty chocolate hot cocoa little
DIY kit.
DIY.
It's so cute, and I know I'm a boy, but I don't care.
Has a little snowman. So I will leave a link for this if you would like to purchase it. It makes 4 snowmen. So pretty much everything that's in it is pretzel sticks,
marshmallows, and you kind of have to get the milk yourself, but it also has hot cocoa.
Yeah, you can either use milk or you can use water. We used milk. Anyway, so it comes with 4 hot cocoa kits, so we used 2 of them, obviously. Another thing it comes with is the pen. So I'll show you the hot cocoa. So there's mine right there.
That's so good.
There's Parker. He's already drinking his. So I just opened the pretzel sticks, and I'm just guessing you pretty much build a snowman. What was that? What is that? Oh my god. What was that?
I don't know.
So, I'm pretty sure you just build a spoon.
It was like sugar or something.
So how many do you want? 3?
I want to taste it. Yeah. No, I want 2. Because mine's going to be a little baby snowman, and he's going to be cute. I want 2.
Do you want to eat it?
What was it? Those are like things in my mouth.
Who's that? I don't know. So pretty much, I'm guessing you pretty much just...
They're cute. You know.
Do this. Put another one in there.
Boom. Shove it in his body.
That.
Okay.
What is it? Almond?
He's chilling.
Oops.
This little guy's doing T-pose.
They don't really give you anything to do the nose. I'm trying to do the mouth, but it's like, oh my god.
Why is it deformed? Literally, my snowman. Okay, mine's a little bit, yeah. His neck was like up to here. Oh.
So the stuff comes out pretty fast here.
Okay, I'm gonna do it carefully on mine. I'm just gonna boop boop boop.
It's all, well, he went from cute to, I don't know what.
Demon-like.
Yeah, it's okay. Cute?
Boop. It's cute. Yeah, more looks like more demon-like, but
the writing stuff's pretty hard to use.
yeah.
This is literally how mine turned out. Just dying in his little hot cocoa cup.
Dying. You know, just dying. Now they're being eaten by humans. Oh my god!
He has hot cocoa on his butt.
Mine literally T-posed through it. He didn't even touch the hot cocoa. Okay. Take a sip of my hot cocoa. Try not to get that crap in my mouth again.
My guy's just chilling. Alright, well thank you all.
Oh my god, you could see his spine in there.
Go ahead and like this video. go ahead and like this video, leave a comment down below, and then go ahead and subscribe.
And hit that bell
so that you can see when we post new videos. And we will see you next video. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.